Hello students, in this video I will teach you a poem. The name of the poem is The King's Breakfast. I will read out everything line by line and explain it to you. So please open your books and read along with me. The king asked the queen and the queen asked the dairymaid, could we have some butter for the royal slice of bread? The queen asked the dairymaid said, certainly, I'll go and tell the cow now before she goes to bed. Now, in this paragraph, the king asked the queen if he could get some butter for the royal slice of bread. The queen goes to the dairymaid and asks her the same question, if they could get some butter for the royal slice of bread. The dairymaid said, sure. She further said that she would just go and tell the cow now before the cow sleeps. The dairymaid, she curtsied and went and told the Alderney, don't forget the butter for the royal slice of bread. The Alderney said sleepily, you'd better tell His Majesty that many people nowadays like marmalade instead. So in this paragraph, the dairymaid sat on one of her knees and then stood up, went and told Alderney, who was Alderney? A senior member of the town, to not forget the butter for the royal slice of bread. Alderney sleepingly replied that the dairymaid should tell the king and queen that many people liked marmalade. What is marmalade? Marmalade is jam instead of butter. The dairymaid said fancy and went to Her Majesty. She curtsied to the queen and she turned a little red. Excuse me, Your Majesty, for taking the liberty, but marmalade is tasty if it's very thickly spread. The queen said, oh, and went to His Majesty. Talking of the butter, for the royal slice of bread, many people think that marmalade is nicer. Would you like to try a little marmalade instead? So in this paragraph, the dairymaid goes to the queen and tells her that these days people like marmalade more. If we put a thick layer on the bread, it would be tasty. The queen said okay and goes and tells the king the same thing and asks him if he would like marmalade instead of butter on the royal slice of bread. The king said, bother, and then he said, oh dearie me. The king sobbed, oh dearie me, and went back to bed. Nobody, he whimpered, could call me a fussy man. I only want a little bit of butter for my bread. The king said, oh dear me, all I wanted was some butter for my bread, and went to his bed. Nobody would call me a fussy man. Fussy means paying attention to every little detail. The queen said, there, and went to the dairymaid. The dairymaid said, there, and went to the shed. The cow said, there, I didn't really mean it. So in these lines, the queen says there and goes to the dairymaid. The dairymaid says there and goes to the shed. The cow said there and said, I did not mean to hurt the king. Here's milk for his porridge and butter for his bread. The queen took the butter and brought it to His Majesty. So the queen was given milk and butter for his food and the queen had bought it for the king. The king said, butter eh? And bounced out of bed. So the king saw that the queen had bought butter for him and he was happy and he got out of the bed. Nobody, he said, as he slid down the banisters. Nobody, he said, as he slid down banisters. Nobody, my darling, could call me a fussy man, but I do like a little bit of butter to my bread. So the king was happy to see the butter and he came down the banisters. Banisters, if you see the picture, you see the side railing on which the king is sitting. So he had come down from that banister and he was happy to see the butter. He further told that the queen could call him a fussy man. Fussy man, again, he always takes care of the details. He's too concerned about everything he likes. So he said, you can call me a fussy man, but I like a little butter to my bread. That's it. So it was the king who wanted the butter, and this is how the poem ends. I hope you have understood everything I taught you. Please read it again. If there is anything you don't understand, you'll ask me. Thank you so much for your patience, all of you.